Now, if you want your painting projects to look like a professional did it, you need to do what the professionals do, and they take the time to prep the surface, and they also take time to tape off. Now, everybody hates to tape off, but you need to protect that so you don't have a lot of cleanup. Take a look at this device by 3M. This is the Hand Masker 3000, baby. And what this does is it holds not only your painter's tape, but if you want to cover, say with paper or with plastic, it also holds that paper into place as well. Now there's two spindles. First of all, you pop your tape in over here, and then on this spindle, you can either put paper up to 18 inches wide, or you can put the plastic film on here that then folds down and can drape and cover the entire wall. The beauty of this device is that it marries the two, tape and paper or plastic, perfectly, so you're not having to struggle with putting that on. Once you've got it in place there, all you gotta do, just gonna push this in place, and look how quickly I can work down the wall.